Good morning, student. Now our next topic is application of Ampere circuital law. Application of Ampere circuital law. First application. First application we will do magnetic field due to straight current carrying wire. Straight current carrying wire. Suppose we have a conductor, straight conductor having a current I. Consider straight conductor having current I. Got it? Now, according to Ampere circuital law, we have an Amperian loop having symmetry of B and angle between BDL. These two symmetry should consider here. Then we will consider, let an Amperian loop of radius small r. We have Amperian loop of radius small r, means we have to find the magnetic field at distance r from the conductor. This is the distance small r. We have to find the magnetic field at this distance r. Then according to Ampere's law, closed integration of B dl should equal to mu naught total current passing through this line segment. This closed loop means total current is I, which is passing through inside this closed loop. Then we will write here I. Or B remains constant throughout the line segment. And what is the direction of B? Here, as we have to information of angle between B and DL, means we have the information of direction of B, due to which we can find the angle between B and DL. अगर हमें B की डायरेक्शन ही नहीं पता होगी तो हम B और DL में एंगल कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? इसका मतलब हमें यहाँ पहले से पता होगा कि इस पॉइंट पर B की डायरेक्शन क्या है. फिर हम देखेंगे कि इस पॉइंट पर B और DL में एंगल रिमेन्स सेम बना हुआ है, एक जैसा बना हुआ है या नहीं बना है. अगर नहीं बना है तो हम उस लाइन सेगमेंट को ब्रेक करके दूसरी ऐसे सिमेट्रिकल लाइन लेके तब हम उसको ऐड करते हैं. तो हमारे पास यहाँ क्या है? स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर है, और स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर में हमें करंट की डायरेक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड देखना आता है. कैसे? राइट हैंड थंब रूल से. तो राइट हैंड थंब रूल हमने यहाँ पर लिया, और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस क्या कह रही है कि ये इस पॉइंट पर यहाँ कैसी है? अंदर जाते हुए और यहाँ बाहर आते हुए, यानी कि यहाँ इनवर्ड, यहाँ आउटवर्ड. और इनवर्ड का साइन होता है ये, और यहाँ आउटवर्ड का होता है. लेकिन मैं पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर अगर देखूं तो मुझे डायरेक्शन पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे देखने के लिए टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना होता है. तो सपोज I will draw tangent on this point. This will give the information of magnetic field at this point. Got it? Arrow should be in this direction. I will find with the help of right hand thumb rule कि arrow of B should be in this direction. And suppose we have a line segment DL here. Then the angle between B and DL will be theta is equal to 0. Angle between B and DL. Then this is a vector form. I have told you these two are vectors and there is a scalar quantity, so it will be dot product. This is the vector form. If we will solve it, then we will write B dl cos theta mu naught I. Now we will put the value of theta, angle between B and dl. B dl cos 0 is equal to mu naught I, and cos 0 1, close integration of B dl is equal to mu naught I. What we have, throughout the line, the B remains same, so it should be outside the integration. Integration of B, we will write B outside the integration. Integration, close integration of dl is equal to mu naught I. And here we have close integration of dl. What is the length of this closed loop? This closed loop length will be 2 pi r. Then I will write here B 2 pi r mu naught I. And we have to find magnetic field with the help of Ampere's circuital law. Then we will write B is equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I upon R. This is the formula with the help of Ampere's circuital law. It is very easy way to find the magnetic field around any state conductor. And we have done with the help of Biot-Savart law, magnetic field around any state conductor. And what we have? We have B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon R sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. Got it? If we place phi 1 is equal to 90, phi 2 is equal to 90 for a very close point or any journal point, then we have B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon R. 1 plus 1 means 2, and this 2 is cancelled out by 2, and here we have the same formula. But the derivation is this is more elongate than this. It means it is an easy way to find the magnetic field around any closed loop. This is the magnetic field around any closed loop. Now the relation between, as B is inversely proportional to R, then if we draw the graph between B and R at any point near the closed surface, means R is very small. Near the closed surface, it has some value of B, and on increasing the distance from the conductor, the R will increase, but B will decrease. Then graph should be like this. This is the graph between B and R, and this is the formula for straight current carrying conductor around this conductor with the help of Ampere's circuital law. Now we will do next application. This is all about straight conductor.